Hello, Dr. Cosley, and welcome to my Desmos 3D project. This isn't just a graph, it's a Minecraft world, a symbolic universe where every mathematical condition becomes part of a story. To begin with, the foundation of my world is built on points and vectors. We start at the torch, point P, which is the fire of the world and the origin of meaning. From there, vectors define movement. The vectors A and B mark the border between the overworld and the nether, representing positive and negative directions. The vector C represents the player's choice, whether to enter the nether or remain in the overworld, and the null vector is the spawn point. It is invisible, but that absence is intentional, a metaphor for beginnings that leave no trace. When it comes to player actions, vector operations tell the story. The equation z plus v equals s represents progress, adding effort to position. The equation x minus w equals d represents death, subtracting vitality. The expression k times r represents scalar multiplication, showing growth through repetition. And the dot product of V and W represents mining experience points, a hidden reward that comes from alignment. Light also behaves mathematically in this world. Parallel projection shows how light travels endlessly, while orthogonal projection defines its limit, showing where light stops. These are just not visuals. They are metaphors for clarity and constraint. Now, let's journey from the overworld into the underworld. The Ender Portal and Dragon are shaped by geometry. In the underworld, the unit vector is the passage. Out of the many people represented by the larger vector, only a few can enter. That small arrow shows the rare path into the ender, because it is hard to reach. A two-dimensional normal vector is the energy that activates the portal, and a three-dimensional orthogonal vector defines the Ender Dragon's width, representing its cubic traits and its power. The world comes alive through animation and transformation. Parallel vectors show Steve and Alex fighting together, unified in effort. Rotations animate the dragon's wings, the left wing, the right wing, and the angle controller. Transformation lengthens and shortens the wings, making them brief. All 16 conditions are numbered and explained in Desmos. Have added brief reasons for each, so even in 30 years, I will understand every choice. This is not just for the rubric, it is for memory, it is for meaning. This project turns technical constraints into narrative opportunities. The null vector is not missing, it is symbolic. Rotations are not just math, they are rituals. Vectors are not arrows, they are intentions. Together, they build a Minecraft-inspired universe where math and imagination coexist. I did not just meet the grid, I built a world inside it. Every condition is fulfilled, every object is meaningful. This is math as storytelling through the lens of Minecraft. Thank you, Dr. Cosley, for exploring it with me.